Hey guys, it's your girl LaToyia with LT Student Credit Solutions. I'm so glad you are here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and click that notification button if you like the content that I'm providing so you'll be the first to get it. All right, so listen, I wanted to talk to you guys today about boosting your credit score within 2 to 3 months. Seriously, between the high 700s and the 800 score. Can it be done? Absolutely. Stay tuned, I'll be right with you.
It's LaToyia, oh, it's LaToyia, oh, it's LaToyia, the credit guru.
All right, guys, so listen, there are so much information that's out there, right? So is it possible for you to jump your score in 2 to 3 months? High 700s, 800s, sure. Okay, becoming an authorized user on someone's card can definitely do that for you. Now, we were talking about trade lines in the last video. If you don't remember, just click this link here and it'll bring you right over there. So listen, that's not the only way, but this is the way that I advocate, because literally, to be added to someone else's card can take 14 to 21 days. If you have no derogatories, no negative marks on your profile, you will get the highest jump. Listen, I put my daughter on her 18th birthday on one of my credit cards that I had for 2 years. It was a $2,000 limit. She jumped up because there was nothing on her credit score. She jumped up to a 755, just like that, in 21 days, guys. So yes, I advocate authorized users because I will never tell you to use something that I've never done before, okay? We were told to get stuff like cards from internet providers like Coastal Direct, My Jewelers Club. Guys, right now, they're not even in the game right now. So they're trying to get back in the game, but right now, if you've put that money in, you've kind of lost your investment because now they're not going on the 3 bureaus and they're doing one, if any, and that's not helping you at this time. If you become an authorized user on someone's card, depending on the card, you're going across the board. That's TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, okay? So that is a bang for your buck. Now, what I do want to come on here and say, Credit Strong is the bomb. Now, there are some people that's naysayers with Credit Strong. Let me tell you about Credit Strong, okay? At the time that I jumped on Credit Strong, they had a option for the $18,000 loan, and basically you're paying a certain amount of your money is going to go in a savings, and a certain amount of money is going to really go towards them for allowing you to get this yummy, delicious installment on your credit. Now, it boosts up your credit score, but let me tell you what else it does. Guys, when I kept it for 3 months, I need you guys to know 3 months is what the banks go by. They don't do monthly. They don't look at what you're doing monthly. It's a 3-month leveling score that they're looking at, okay? So with Credit Strong, I kept it on my account for 3 months, okay? I paid, I think it was $180. Don't give me the line. But I think it was $180 that I had to pay. A portion of that came into my savings, which I can get back later. I didn't know that. And another portion was to go towards them as a payment. No different from those other ones that was out there, which was the My Jewelers. You would buy something for $300 because the minimum was basically, okay, look, I don't want to go into My Jewelers. If you want more information, you go and you Google it, because I don't want to advocate My Jewelers. But it was basically you pay them a certain amount of money for a membership fee, and then you pay them half of what you needed, and then you get that jewelry, and that's how that was. And they reported it on the 3 bureaus. This particular thing, look, it's a short thing. It goes on Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You're paying a certain amount, and they're saying you have this established $18,000 loan, installment loan, which is very important for the credit mix, and you're paying on it. So it's definitely going to jump your score, right? I'm not going to give you a number because every file is different. So if you don't have anything on your score and you put this on, it's going to jump it. If you have newer accounts, it's not going to do as much up control as it would somebody. I mean, guys, it's basically algorithm that is used, and I'm just letting you know, don't think so much. Listen, look, if there's things like, if you want to be a millionaire, you just follow the footprint of the millionaire. You don't go and try to change it. You understand what I'm saying? So listen, if you want to build up your credit, you deal with somebody who has their credit built. I have my credit built. I'm at 817, 820, and 800 across. Okay, listen, I know what I'm doing. Stick around. So listen, you go and you get you a Credit Strong account. Whatever you could afford. There's one for $5,000, there's one for $10,000, and they took away the $18,000. Sorry guys. So many people were trying to get the $18,000 and weren't able to make the monthly payment, and so they took that off. But you still get the same benefit off of the lesser amount, credit limits. But it's okay, because once you close it, this is what I was so ecstatic about. Listen, I closed it. After the 3 months, I closed it. They said, Miss Turner, you have X amount of dollars that we are going to give back to you. That's in your savings. You have to wait till you close it and give us a call in 24 to 48 hours, and we will send that money back to you. Okay, that was one benefit. And I was like, yes. The second benefit is, once it's closed, does it drop your credit score? Guys, it didn't drop my credit score, okay, because I have other open accounts. Now, if this is your only account, guys, yes, it will drop your credit score, because any open accounts is showing that you're making payment. It is establishing your payment history, is keeping up the age of it. So yeah, when you close it, you lose some of that, and it will drop temporarily. But guess what? It closes as a paid in full $18,000 installment. That was for me. So when you do the 5 or the 10, it's going to be closed as you paid that in full. So listen, you can't use and listen to everybody. Everybody is going to say, hey, this is not a good one. Or this. You have to use your discernment. Try it for yourself. I tried it for myself, and I'm letting you know, go get you a Credit Strong account. If you can maintain it. Now, don't go ahead and open it and then not able to pay the monthly fee, and then now it's closed as a derogative account. No. Okay, so now listen, open you up something that you can afford. They have many options. This is the one that I want. I want the installment, okay? They have saving plans. They have other things according to your budget. You go there and you look and you see what works for you. If you're not sure, you can always contact me. Instagram, you can contact me on Facebook. I'm there, and I'm gonna tell you what I feel based on your budget, because you could close it at any time. If you find, oh my gosh, next month I'm not able to pay it, close it before your due date come, and then you didn't pay it, and now it's posted that you didn't pay it when you could have closed it prior. So listen, it's no harm, no foul. I'm telling you, if you're not loving it, close it. It will still close and you will still benefit. And I hope this helped. Credit Strong, Credit Strong, Credit Strong. I advocate that. All right, so I guess we're at the end of the video. So you know I'm here to shift that paradigm, to let you understand you are capable. You can do all things, and everything will follow behind. So what I want to do is encourage you to put a vision in your mind. I would say to you, you know what? Put it in your mind, write it down, speak it into existence, right? If this is what you want, I am so happy and grateful that this is what's happening to me at this very moment. And it doesn't matter if it's not happening and right now. What I want you to do is imagine that it is, and get in that feeling and feel it. And when you feel it, that momentum has to happen. I'm so happy that you're here. And let me tell you something, once you get that shift, you can do all things. I'll see you later.